Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing XRP, and as you can see on the chart right now, it's dropping like crazy, like bam, 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 bam. Like, where is the end of this? So we're gonna look at that. We're gonna see what's actually happening. I know people on Telegram, some are like asking, like, "Hey man, what's happening with XRP? What's the technical analysis saying?" So we're gonna look at it. We're gonna get in the charts, see what's actually happening, and figure out this. So basically, up here was at 185, down here is 160, so it's dropping. People are scared, it's breaking all kind of supports, it's being pushed down by the moving averages, and then you notice it's only on the 5-minute chart. So you kind of zoom out, and then like okay, like, you know. So we had a big rally up. Now it's dropping. We are crashing to zero. We are going down. No Lambos. I don't know. You get my drift, you know. So basically, we have to have some kind of correction right now, or a sideways movement. So I'm gonna pull out some lines here that were here previously. We hit 198 line, just like I said yesterday. We have some kind of sideways movement. Also, I was talking about it. Like, you have to have sideways movement, because these moving averages are just way too far below you. So you gotta pull back at least to the moving averages. Now there was some kind of resistance here between 155 and 159, so 159.16, right? That resistance got broken quite easily, I think. Let me see. Yeah, let me see it on 1 hour chart. Yeah, it got broken quite easily, but it is holding, because this week came only down here, and right now we are hitting this resistance. So will the resistance hold or not? That depends to see. So we just gotta follow and see what's actually happening up here. But it is breaking some kind of structure down here. You can see that immediately right now. This one over here, something like this, it's kind of went sideways, and now, so basically this uptrend that was going on right now, it's kind of slowing up. So that's usually what happens when you get into a correction or consolidation, rather, because the bull run is not yet over. We're gonna continue higher. I know everything is red today, and Bitcoin's down like 4%, Ethereum 5.5, and a lot of altcoins are minus 10-20%, not actually 20, but minus 10%. A lot of is like 5-6% down. It can go down more, but you know, the bull run is not over. It's just normal consolidation, correction, a small correction down to the moving averages. But this looks like consolidation, because we did hit this 1.98 target. We're gonna keep on watching the 1 hourly, one daily, and see what's actually happening here. And if you can see on the daily chart, on this rubber band index, that previously we got consolidation at 86, and now we got this consolidation at 84. Not only that, there is this divergence. I think maybe you can see it better on the 4-hourly chart. So yeah, no, it's on the daily, but it's not that severe though. So the price basically goes up, right, and this rubber band index is going down. That means some kind of divergence. So the divergence is already played out, because price is correcting and the RSI is correcting. So both RSI and the price are correcting, so that's nice. So this is already played out, so we don't have to look at that anymore. But right now the daily RSI rubber band index is down at 71, which is fine, very fine levels, no problem. Weekly hasn't actually stopped yet. Last time we hit this week on the 78. Now we are pushing actually back up to 80. So I think this consolidation is only gonna last couple of days, maybe even just here, and this is gonna find bottom at these levels at 58, 55 to 60, and gonna continue higher up, because I don't think it's gonna the weekly RSI is gonna stop at 78 and then consolidate or go down, something like that, because the pump is just too severe. Here we did, because we were below the all-time high, so we went up and then went a little bit down. But I think this move that's coming right now, it's gonna continue higher up. So nothing is actually sure, because we have not yet gone through the consolidation period, and we are still falling down, but we are looking to find some kind of support on this let me draw it in another color, maybe a little bit, so you can see it better. Do you see it better? yeah, maybe this like this. So it's down here, right? So we are looking for finding support here. You can see the wick went all the way into the support, so that's what we're looking for now. The target, next target is 2.7, but this support over here needs to hold for that. Let's see if we can see any kind of pattern down here. It is clearly going down. Okay, let me see a little bit here. Something like this, maybe something like this, maybe some, because of these wicks too, and then these wicks, if it confirms, then it's gonna be nice, and then you have this upper support resistance, and maybe it's some kind of triangle. Maybe let's look at this on the 1 hourly chart and see. We can see actually this support is actually being broken, so that's quite nice. So there was some kind of support up here, right? You can see it clearly. The price went up, down to support, up, down to support, up, down to support, and now the support is being broken. So maybe this support down here is gonna hold, but we have to wait and see what's actually gonna happen. Also, this is on the 1 hourly chart, so it doesn't really matter as long as we get back above eventually. That would be nice. And this line of support also might actually. So there are several other supports that might actually hold. We just have to follow and see which one actually does. Because the thing we are looking for now is actually not if we are how long down we're gonna go. Maybe it is, but the only thing we are looking for now, it's when we're gonna hit the bottom on this correction consolidation, and when we're gonna go higher. So I don't think this is gonna take weeks or something like that. Let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is still in very much in green, and I'm hoping we can actually stay in the green above this this box up here. That would be nice, above 159 on the weekly. That would be very nice. Let me also see on the weekly the moving averages, how they are looking. Yeah, the problem with the weekly is that we are extended from the 10 moving average on the weekly, but that doesn't matter much because it's gonna be around 0.9 the next week. That's in like 2 days or something like that, and then the price can move even higher and then maybe pop out. So right now I don't think this is overbought. I just think it's some kind of sideways consolidation, like I said previous time. How long the sideways consolidation is gonna take, well, it depends. We also got support down here at 1.4 that might hold. So all the supports are here. Here is the 1.37, then you got this daily at 10 moving average at 1.4. You got this 1.55 to 1.59 area, and then we also saw that there was one support that actually being broken up here, but one of these. And tomorrow this moving average is going to be somewhere around here, maybe at 147. So it's getting closer to this area, that one as well. It all depends what is going to happen. The thing I know right now, that's right now there's some kind of big sell-off in the market. There's Bitcoin is -4%, Ethereum -5%. A lot of altcoins are bleeding, and they might actually continue bleeding. But you know what I say, after rain always comes sunshine, or something like that. I don't know what the saying actually goes, but like after a red day there is a green day. So technically, if this sell-off actually managed to push and make the weekend sell, maybe this sell-off will be finished. We will be in this still in this triangle, and then we will be able to break on the upside eventually. But right now it's not the best of the charts to look at. Not the best already. So I don't think this is gonna go all the way up to tonight, but it might eventually go up. So I mean, eventually everything gonna go up until the Bitcoin bubble pops, and it's not yet popping, so you know, all good. Now, if you, I don't know if you are already trading this, or you are maybe looking to get into this or something like that, but we do like 50 altcoins every single day. Like we rank them up, look what is actually happening. Like on YouTube channel we do 6 altcoins, but on Patreon we do 50 altcoins in one video. So if you are looking for altcoins to get into what coins are good, what coins are not, that might help you. So do check it out down in the description, man. That said, subscribe to the channel. We went from 10k to 11k from yesterday. Yesterday we had, the day before that we had like a live stream, and then we went to 1k in one day. It's so insane, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. So let's try 12k today. That said, click the like button because YouTube likes the likes button. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.